And we are here in the Muğla, and I have a guest, Fidan.
Yes, hello.
So today, introduce you to our cultural city, Muğla.
And beautiful Dalyan Lake.
Yes.
It's actually
In which
nature.
region?
I guess it's Akdeniz.
What's called Akdeniz?
Akdeniz, neydi İngilizce?
It's not Mediterranean.
Yes, Mediterranean.
I forget. You can check. It's the I think it's the most south. You can say it's in the south. It's close to the Antalya.
Yeah.
It's actually left on the Antalya. Whatever.
Left to the Antalya and actually 1 hour far away from Göcek, Fethiye, the most popular touristic place of Turkey. Yes, it's interesting place. It's not a ordinary summer vacation place. It's just different things here, different vibes, and even though it's the April, there are so many tourists. Yes, it's interesting.
And the thing is that it's all green,
Yeah.
and the people are more friendly if you compare to the Izmir. For me, I guess, and it's really cheap. I mean, it's 100 liras for a fish, but we don't know where to eat and what to eat. Okay, so
I guess we need to just explore more and more a little bit.
so we have to find.
Yeah.
It's called church, right? Where is the church?
İzleyecek. Hello.
Okay. Why the unnecessary thing?
Bizi dedim. Bana annesi diyor ya.
Please speak in English.
Shame on you.
Oh,
Atatürk.
Atatürk, the father of the Turkey.
Turks, not all, just Turkey.
Oh, so where is the church? You can check on Google Maps.
Yes. We need to take a breeze and look through the maps. So see you soon.